Hi. We eating
Kong dog.
and boba.
Kong dog and gong cha.
Yeah, I'm choking on it. So.
No, literally. Okay. Happy
I'm not-
mukbang.
Can you look at these fries? I don't want them to fall, but. Wow, kid. Wow.
What is it? Okay. So, what is on it?
We're eating.
Cheese, mayo, ketchup,
Like hot
hot
Cheeto,
Cheeto powder.
crumbs.
I think Parmesan or something.
Parmesan.
Parmigiana.
Mm-hmm.
And then this fucking.
Yeah. Look at that.
Holy shit! Wait. Can we just get a close
You're
up?
lying.
Oh my god.
I'm already eating these bad boys.
Are they good?
I've been waiting 2 hours. We just walked through the whole mall.
Oh shit.
So busy.
Easter's tomorrow, and there's so many people at the mall.
Like, I'm sick of it. Everybody go home.
Why? So many children.
And we just had the stupid kids pull up next to us, probably laughing at us. I feel like they were. But maybe it's just
Fuck
me.
them.
It's just
This is
my...
so good.
I don't even care about anything right now. You fuck yourself, you fuck yourself, you fuck yourself. I only have boba trapped in my throat now.
Well, that was going. That got me.
Look at that. Look, I can't even show you. Oh,
I literally starved myself today.
thank you, God, for this meal and your sacrifices. I don't know.
You turned water into K-dog fries.
Should we go live?
Yeah. To your Instagram, bro.
Oh my God.
No, I literally
I don't
starved
care about
myself so I could eat this today.
Oh, come on, no.
So good.
Imagine if I did it on my real Instagram. I would literally have a heart attack and die at the same time.
That's okay. Oh, no, there's just like people walking in the background.
Yeah, like, keep walking, kid.
I hope these people come back.
I hate them. Can I make it like... I wish I could.
Go sideways.
There's only 9 people. Yeah, but wouldn't it be normal like this?
Oh, did you start it?
Hi! No. I'm scared, bro. I've never done this. I'm afraid.
Put it sideways.
I'm scared. No, I can't. Look.
Yeah, put it up against the windshield. You got a rubber.
But won't it look bad? Like, people have to turn their phone?
No, just press the fucking button.
I'm scared.
Do it!
Nobody!
Do it!
Nobody look. I wonder if Gino will get on.
On 9 people.
It's too hot now.
That's fine. Oh, you
hear the birds?
The geese?
The birds? Oh.
Wait, we both just went.
Kelsey!
Hey!
I'm never doing this again. I'm done. Look at we eating too much.
We just show the live. And the YouTube, whatever. Wherever this is going.
We got a whole lot of nothing to say. Kelsey's the only one. I love you. Call me later, something.
Call me.
Oh my God, I'm sick. Look at this
These are
fry.
like so good.
It's hot Cheetos. Alright. Sorry, Kelsey. I think I'm gonna end it because I don't even think she's here anymore. I don't know.
Just keep it. Just keep it live. No, keep it.
Look. I'm scared. I don't like it. I think what we have to do. Oh, hi everyone. I'm sorry. You guys are still going. I think we have to like post.
Yeah, that we're going live.
Going live,
Yeah.
and then. Yeah, and it said there was only 9 followers that were on right now. Out of the 80 people that follow us, like, come on. I'm good.
I'm good. These are so good.
Home. my god.
They didn't even give napkins. Might I add?
Oh, I forgot we weren't in my car. I don't have any.
We're in your
napkins.
car.
No,
Oh.
my car, like my actual one.
I was like, what do you mean?
You're like, yep,
Fries get into your brain.
they are.
Dude, these things are...
Unbelievable.
I can't even show you because they're gonna fall. What I say.
Oh my god, unbelievable. Oh my god.
Scale of 1 to 10.
11. Look at this fry.
Yeah. I'd go with that. It's a pretty flame. I'm working up a sweat here.
I'm literally
I got-
sweating.
I got this sweat. Oh, right on my forehead, bro.
Videotape the first bite of those for TikTok, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like a small video or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. It's just 2 hours of me finishing this box of fucking fries.
This is wild.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice and spicy. Nice and spicy.
You know, that TikTok was like, why is it spicy? Sheesh.
So, anyway, do you remember hanging out at the mall as a kid? Did you do that?
Not really.
Yeah.
Kind of, yes, no.
I
I
did.
don't know, I was like strict parents, so I couldn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
But I did go to the mall a few times.
Yeah.
More in like high school.
I didn't really go anymore in high school.
I think it's because like my friends could drive, so. But
I literally didn't get my license till I was like 19. Like
I didn't
5
get-
seconds ago.
I didn't get mine until I was 21.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, 2021.
Why?
I was just driven everywhere.
Oh yeah, me too.
And then James drove me everywhere, so. I was like, whatever.
What?
Fun.
Oh! It's on me.
Oh, it's like, what happened?
It's on me.
Yeah, it's like been on me.
I'm literally throwing up. It's the best day of my life.
Damn, these get spicy at the bottom, huh?
Nom, nom, nom. Ah. Oh god, I'm choking, dying.
This is so good. Bro, I killed mine.
I just like don't want it. It's so good that I don't want to even get rid of it.
I just killed mine.
Like eating around the good stuff.
Oh, I'm just fucking
It's delicious.
box to face.
Like, we should do this again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weekly mukbang.
Like, keep moving, buddy. We're not leaving.
Sorry, we're filming.
I just literally bit my finger.
Follow us on social media. I hope if people come back.
I hate them. You know they're laughing at us. Probably take a picture of us. Like, what, you never seen two people eating in the car with a camera in front of them? Please.
Do it look like I can? No.
No. Maybe I'm FaceTiming my fucking long lost cousin here. From miles away. You don't know me. It's literally creating like spit that I never had.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, imagine.
This is so good.
Yeah. Oh my god, help me. I can't breathe. Can't even show
Bro,
it.
that's a good one. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Mine are like dry. Because I ate all the good ones.
See?
I gotta get messy. It's about to get messy. Oh my god.
I saved the good ones. Hard to breathe actually after a while.
Bro, I don't know how to eat this fucking dog. Who am I kidding?
I'm eating the whole thing.
I'm gonna eat the whole
We
thing.
won't be able to drive, but we can fly here.
Let me just lay and sleep out.
Mm-hmm.
I literally even haven't stopped to like take a drink or anything.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Trying to just use these 2 fingers, but the other ones keep trying to get involved. One piece of the itching. What the fuck do they put on these? Like,
Everything?
do you like syrup on it? Cause
Yeah,
it
probably.
looks like it.
Oh my god. No oxygen.
Kong dog.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
I don't know if
Sponsor me.
it is, but
Sponsor us.
I
There you go, bro.
can't breathe. Eat mine,
No.
cause nah. You're gonna do it.
I guess I need a dog.
Oh, God. I can't breathe.
That was insane.
Excuse me, should we? I'm like so loud. Should we start a new video for the Zwuggy? Zwuggy baby. I can't breathe.
I don't care.
Mm-hmm. I'm choking. Like, I don't know why I keep doing it.
Sandra.
Two bad bitches.
That bitch is...
Is there a fly in here?
Nah.
I think it's outside.
Wow.
What?
I'm sweating.
Oh, Cheetos, man. Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I got about 62 boba fucking chips in my mouth right now.
Yep.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be eating.
Today we're
I'm gonna
gonna
show
be
you an
eating...
empty box of fries.
Today we're gonna be eating Kong dog.
Thumbnail.
I was just about to say that. You bait me so wet.
Look at my thumb. Wow. You would think like the food was getting pulled away from me or something like.
No, I feel like a fucking dog.
Choking, dying.
Choking iron. Alright.
I got the sweet potatoes.
I just got the regular potatoes.
Cheers.
Cheese.
Alright, you ready? My nose is running.
I'm scared.
I'm throwing up.
I feel like this is a microphone. I just wanna. Oh.
Don't look at me.
Okay,
Punch
man.
you in the face.
Where do I start? Oh, she went for it.
Yep. Look at this.
Well,
what
tastes
did
like
you get?
fucking fried dough.
What did you get for the inside?
Mozzarella.
Oh my god, this is good.
You do half beef, right?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck.
It's probably in the bottom. Mm-hmm.
Damn beef.
Wow. Who the fuck needs this, you know?
Mine's fucking slide out. Holy shit.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Wow. Fucking delicioso, huh?
Mm-hmm. There's mozzarella on the inside.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Speechless.
I wish there was a hot dog in the middle.
Why didn't you get some?
I don't know.
Why didn't you do it?
I didn't think that was an option.
It was. It was beef
Oh, fuck.
or mozzarella.
I'm just a fucking idiot then.
Look, I wish there was. Why wouldn't they have put a hot dog in here? Oh, look at all this.
Mozzarella.
Get back in there, honey. I'm not playing. No playing games. She goes, I wish there was a hot dog in this. Hello?
I didn't know that was an option.
See?
Oh, you fucker.
Hot dog.
Fuck.
Yep. Should that.
I know. I fucked up. I'm an idiot.
She's a mozzarella girl.
I'm a mozzarella. I'm a cheesy girl. Cheesy girl.
Wow, so
I'm gonna have to get that next time then. Huh?
Yeah.
It's like falling off the stick.
Mm-hmm. Looks good though. I'm watching. Oh shit.
Wow. That's a cheese ball.
I'm dead.
That was a fucking cheese ball.
This tastes like a carnival.
Mm-hmm. It tastes like fried dough. Stuffed with cheese.
I don't even know where to put it. I'm just gonna leave it there. Ew. My stomach hurts.
I'm just gonna. The juice that's going. I literally have it all over my face.
Oh. Somebody call 911.
I am 911.
Oh, take another bite. I wonder how they make these.
We have a real nice sunset happening
Yeah.
soon.
Yeah.
There's a bug in here. I just killed it.
I left the goddamn sunroof open.
Oh, that's fine.
I'm
I could
choking.
use a little air. Fuck, I hit the bottom.
Oops.
Oh, might as well just finish it. Ouch. Oh, there's a boba.
I've been there. A little while ago. Fucking guy's gonna walk right through. Of all the cars, guy.
Where's that baby boy? Where's that corn dog?
Like, I mean, and who's it gone? I haven't taken a breath.
Where the oven? I killed the fries. You killed the dog.
I couldn't do it.
There's a hot dog in here. Yeah, this will be gone. I fucked up. I didn't think beef was the dog. I don't know why I thought it was like some other type of beef. You know?
What do you mean?
I don't know.
What?
I'm stupid.
No.
I was so hungry I couldn't even look. Couldn't even think straight.
What do you think? Hold on. That was alright. Would I get this one again? Probably not. Probably gonna throw it up.
I want one with more flavor. Like that fucking Cheeto one.
Yuck. Now.
What?
Now.
The Cheeto?
Stomach hurts. What?
Oh.
It's funny. I'll punch you in the fucking face. Good.
No.
Yeah, no. Nah.
You know what? On days like these, I wish I drove a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Zooming around.
I would zoom around right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
What are they called?
Oh, good. What?
Golden hour?
Mm-hmm.
Is that? Or was that when we were first got into town? We were like orange.
I don't know. Or maybe when we first got in.
Why is everybody walking by?
I don't know. It's really pissed me off.
Like a massive parking lot.
You ever seen two people eating corn dogs?
Everybody chose to walk in between us.
What? Baddest bitches on the block. Ugh.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not really feeling it.
I'm not really feeling it. It's just like
I'm not
empty.
really feeling it.
Check out corn dog.
Oh, don't. No, I'm just kidding. No, it's really good. Oh, where are we gonna put this? Burn it?
You done?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You like done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this one.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for joining us for dinner. It's horrible.
We'll see you next time on our next mock.
On the mock.
On the next mock. See you next mock.
And next time we go live, you better be there.
Yeah.
Okay?
Show up.
Don't
Be
play
there,
me.
be square.
Don't play.
See you next mock.